Hello, my name is Lori Burtok and I work with Shield Healthcare, and I've been with Shield for over 20 years. Today I want to give you some tips for caregivers on how to change a brief on one of your loved ones. So the first thing you want to do is don some gloves. Find gloves to wear, and then we're going to remove the brief that's currently on the patient. So you want to take the velcro tabs. Notice that the wetness indicators have turned darker than what they originally were, so we know that the patient is wet. Remove the velcro tabs. Then if there is any stool in here, you want to wipe away from the perineal area. So we're going to use a spray. This particular spray is Caress spray. It emulsifies urine and feces. You're going to spray it in the perineal area, either use a cloth or a wet wipe, and you're going to wipe down away from the perineal area. Then take your brief away once you have that done. And now we're going to prepare the skin with a cream. This particular cream has aloe vera, vitamin A, D, and E in it, and it acts as a skin protectant so that you don't get skin breakdown. So what we would want to do is place some in the perineal area here on the inside of the thighs. I would put it in the buttocks area because it does get wet and moist in here as well. So you want to put that on to help with preventing skin breakdown. From there, we're going to take the brief. We'll open the brief and put the velcro tabs on top. Now, you do not want to take the body and lift the hips up like this. You're going to hurt your lower back. So what I suggest is that you roll your loved one on their side if they can't help you by lifting their hips. Then slide the brief in like so, and then we're going to roll the patient back on top. And you've got your velcro tabs on top here. Pull the brief through the center, and then we want to get a snug fit. So when we put the velcro on, we're going to make sure it's tight so that you're not going to get any leakage down the side of the leg. We've already ensured that this is the correct size. Okay. Voila, you are good to go. And once this becomes wet again and turns darker, you know it's time to change them again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from Shield Healthcare.